Today we are going to be graphing rational functions. These are the steps. The first step is to find the y-intercept. Then you find the x-intercept. Next, state the coordinate of any removable discontinuities. The fourth step is find the equation for the horizontal/slant asymptote. The fifth step is state end behavior. Then you find the equation for vertical asymptotes. The seventh step is state intermediate behavior. The eighth step is find where the graph crosses the horizontal or slant asymptote. And the ninth step is to sketch the graph. I will go over these in more detail as we go along. We're going to be graphing f of x equals 2x squared over 4x squared minus 8. You want to start out by simplifying the function as much as you can. So we'll do 2x squared over 2 2x squared minus 4. You could cross out the 2's, not that that will help much, but so you'll have x squared over 2x squared minus 4. The first step is going to be find the y-intercept. So you set the you set all the x's equal to 0. So you have 2 times 0 squared. This will leave you with 0 over 8, which is 0. So the y-intercept is 0. Second step is find the x-intercept. So you set the numerator equal to 0. You do 2x squared equals 0. This will be x equals 0. Third step is state the coordinate for any removable discontinuities. Since when you simplify the function, if you can factor it and cross out, that means there's discontinuities. But since we can't factor it, then and there's nothing to cross out, there are no discontinuities. I'm gonna just make the graph so we can do it as we go along. So the x and the y-intercept are both 0. That makes it easy. The fourth step is find the equation for the horizontal or slant asymptote. You do the limit of the function, which is 2x squared over 4x squared minus 8, as x goes to infinity. This will give you 2x squared over 4x squared, because you just take the highest exponents and roots, whatever. You'll cross out these, and this will simplify to 1 over 2. So the horizontal asymptote is equal to y equals 1 over 2. The fifth step is to state the end behavior. So you do the limit of the function as x goes to positive or negative infinity, which is also equal 1 over 2. Sixth step is find the equation for vertical asymptotes. Actually, I'll just sketch the horizontal asymptote fast. You can label it y equals 1/2. The sixth step was find the equation for the vertical asymptotes. So for that, you set the denominator equal to 0. You'll get you get x equals radical 2 for that. We did that right. Let me see what I did. That's going to be about, grab a calculator. Oops. That's 1.41. So graph that is positive or negative 1.41. Which is about here. Okay, so those are the vertical asymptotes. The 7th step is to state the intermediate behavior. So for that, you do the limit of f of x as x goes to positive radical 2 on the right side. You do the limit f of x, x goes to positive radical 2 on the left side. Limit f of x, so x goes to negative radical 2 on the right side, and the limit of f of x, so x goes to negative radical 2 on the left side. Then for this you plug in something a little bit above radical 2 for this one, so you could do like 1.42 and or 1.5, something like that. You'll get positive infinity for that. You plug it into the function and see if you get positive, if your whole function is positive or negative. This one is positive. For on the left side it's going to be negative, and when they're positive and negative, positive means that it goes up and negative means it goes down. This one is going to be negative infinity, and this one's going to be positive infinity. The 8th step, you find where the graph crosses the horizontal or slant asymptote. It does. So you set the horizontal asymptote equal to the function. You can do the simplified function, 2x squared minus 4. So you get 2x squared minus 4 equals 2x squared. And that will give you negative 4 equals 0, which is not the case. So there are no, the graph will never cross the horizontal asymptote. The 9th step is to graph it all. So on the right side goes up, left side it goes down, right side it goes down, left side it goes up. So it has to go through the point 0, 0, like that, and then around the asymptotes here. So that's how you graph a rational function. I believe that's all. Okay, thank you.